Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, we are going to discuss about HTML attributes. See, so what are HTML attributes and what are the uses and when we are using attributes? That is, HTML attributes are giving the functionality, extra functionality or extra properties to HTML code. So what is that extra functionality? It's very simple. Suppose whenever you are writing the code like this, body, and you are adding something, the paragraph, you have defined some paragraphs, some content is a paragraph, and when you close this body, now when you run this program, it will display these two paragraphs. It will display these two paragraphs with the body background color is a white color. No, I just want to change the background color is some other color. That is called a property of body. We need to specify the property using the attribute. Where I need to place the attributes inside the start tag. Right? Here there are two types of elements, non-empty elements and empty elements. Whether it is a non-empty element or it is empty element, definitely there is a tag called start tag. What is the tag? Start. Start tag is there. In this start tag, you need to specify the attribute name. This is first attribute name, attribute 1 equals to attribute value. Suppose here it is for this body, if you want to give the background color, there is an attribute called BZ color. Attribute name and attribute value must be separated with equals to sign. And attribute value you need to represent either with a single quotes or double quotes. We have two options. So here it is, this is the value. Background color is a color I am giving, suppose a blue color I am giving. You can specify with a single quotes or double quotes. I will give double quotes, okay. I will give single quotes, okay. So for example, I want to give multiple attributes. Then please don't separate with comma or semicolon. Just separate with a space. Attribute 2 is value 2. I am giving single quotes here. Attribute 3. Attribute 3 equals to value 3. Suppose double quotes I have given like this. All attributes must be placed inside the start tag only, not inside the end tag. Because for non-empty elements and empty elements, only start tag will be present. And attribute name and attribute values must be separated with equals to sign. Multiple attributes separated with a space. Attribute value either you specify with a single quotes or double quotes. For example, if you are taking that image, I just want to display the image. One example. Right, for this image, where is the image? Path you need to specify. We should specify the path with the source. Here it is some path. Suppose it is in my D drive, in my images folder, some abc.jpg file is there. This is the value. Next, I just want to give the fixed width, whatever the size it is, but I want to give with 300 pixels width and 300 pixels height. This one simple example, I'm just taking to explain, right, what image tag attributes. So this image is taking three attributes. One is a source, second one is a width, and third one is a height. Right, to provide means what? To specify the image with some properties. These are HTML attributes. Attributes giving extra functionality or properties to HTML elements. Hope you understood. Thank you all.